Hello and welcome to today's financial news brought to you by Skyriss. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Tesla stock fell about 3% on Monday to $435.20 as investors worried about weaker vehicle deliveries, shrinking margins, and doubts over Elon Musk's autonomy and robotaxi promises, offsetting slowing car sales. In Monday's regular session, the Dow advanced 0.6%, the S&P 500 rose 0.5%, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 0.4%, as attention is now turning to Wednesday's Fed announcement amid speculation that Trump could name a new chair this week. WTI crude oil futures fell to around $60 per barrel on Tuesday, extending losses from the previous session, despite ongoing supply disruptions in the U.S. and heightened geopolitical risks. The Japanese yen traded near 154 per dollar on Tuesday, after rallying around 3% over the previous two sessions amid heightened concerns about a potential joint foreign exchange market intervention by Tokyo and Washington. Ether traded above $2,900 with 3.9% gain in the past 24 hours, driven by strong institutional inflows into a new exchange-traded fund and bullish signals showing accumulation by large holders. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 3 p.m., the Consumer Confidence Index in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 89.1 in December. At 9:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the crude oil stock change of January 23, following 3 million barrels in the week ended January 16. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 2:45 p.m., Canada to release the interest rate for January, following 2.25% in December. At 7 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the interest rate of January, following 3.75% in December.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.